With breaking news from Detroit's east side, that's where a body has been found after a house fire.
Yeah, 7 Action News reporter Nima Shafei has the breaking developments. Nima?
Good morning, Vic. We're in the area of Minden and Westphalia on Detroit's east side, in and around 6 Mile and Gratiot. Behind me right now, investigators from the Detroit Police Department and Arson Squad are working and taking pictures of this home that firefighters just left. Let's get to some video from earlier when firefighters were here on the scene. Firefighters getting the call overnight to come to this home on the 12,000 block of Westphalia. That's when they got here and saw the fire coming from this home. What they also noticed was a body near the back of the home, outside of the home, with a blanket over it, and the individual had suffered multiple gunshots around his body. So at this point, that's what we know, that they found the body outside here. That's why Arson is investigating, as well as Detroit Police here on the scene, working to determine what might have even caused this fire as well. And again, a live look now, if you will. You can see the fire still smoldering at this home. And they did tell me that this home had previously burned, but didn't give me a time frame. So we know that this home, the roof collapse that I mentioned at the top of the 6 o'clock hour, had actually previously happened. So when firefighters got here, the home was already unstable. But again, here's what we know: this is a fatal fire. The body the individual did not die as a result of the fire. The individual was found near the back of the home with a blanket over the body. And at this point, we're working to confirm even more details. And once we get more information, we'll pass it along to you, both on the air and on the web. Reporting live this morning on Detroit's east side, I'm Nima Shafei, 7 Action News.